Hi, I'm James Neal, ex-professional hockey player. I'm here in Nashville with the boys from Lifted Trucks. Got my first truck from Lifted Trucks out of Alabama, and then I just got a sick F-250 from Lifted Trucks here in Nashville. So it's nice that they're here in the backyard, and they set the guys up with some sick rigs. We're out here at my farm. The boys delivered my truck last week, so my F-250's doing a good job of towing my horses around and my Zebra Einstein. If you guys want a sick ride like I have, go check out my boys at Lifted Trucks, liftedtrucks.com. They'll take care of you.